So, good evening, everyone. Today, I'm going to teach you on how to generate your own key store for your release and to generate also the SHA-1 and SHA-256. So, first, open Android Studio. So, for the Android Studio, so you can see this, or if you are starting a new pack, so you can view nga niya sulod. Click the open, navigate to your project. Let's say updel V, and highlight the Android. So i-click na siya and click select folder. So you can take for a while na mahuman siya collecting files for the process. So you can see this process in the bottom right side. So I've already done our task. Click this burger menu and build tab, find the generate sign up bundle or APK. Click this, select the APK, next. So as a default, or if you're not yet generated, so it's empty. So click the create new. So for the keystore path, you can directly save this first in your desktop. For the file name, you can add any name. For me, I want to name this as release me dot keystore. So make sure the extension name is the keystore. Save. For the password, you can input your own password. Password, not password. So for the years of validity, you can change this in your own, or you can use the default. In the certificate, you need to input your credentials. So for me, this organization, let's say in a city to Mageti, or you can add your city, state, and the country code for the Philippines is 63. And okay. So password did not match. So Osborne, continue. Maybe this. Make sure to fill to create the key store. Let's see. Okay, so it generate. You can now close this, cancel. Open your project folder. Navigate to Android app and copy this and paste sa Android app folder, which is the release me. Go back to the root which is the root folder. Open this code. So as you can see, the release me keystore already found. And your next to go is to create uh, a debug settings. So for the settings, you need go to gradle properties. At the bottom of properties, let's say I want to create a name here. So my app underscore upload store file. So for the store file, we need to rename as a release me, which is the name of keystore we create. The alias release me for the password and upload password. So for the password, so let's say 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next, let's go inside the app, the build gradle. At the bottom where you can see the sign-in config, type release, and here you can add the attribute you created in the build gradle. So let's split this to the right. This open to the right side. So first is if, so first we need to check first if the file is have in our app folder. So to check this project that has property, so for the property you need to call the my app store file, which is this. Okay, save this as a string and inside the bracket. So for the store file, so file is the name of the store file, which is this. Insert this. For the store password, alias, key alias. So that's the requirement. So you need to remove this string, so it makes sure that this is like this color blue. So you need to remove this also. Okay, in the build type, which is the release, you can change this debug to the name you create. Let's say release, so this should be release. So to check if everything is working, so let's go to the build. First we need to go to Android. From the Android, we need to signing report. So for the signing report, you can now, so there is no release yet, so we need to check first. So I'm going to do some cleaning. Let's do signing report again if it is display or not yet. The signing still now. So let's check if project has properties. Then as property. Okay, my bad. So I just removed the part in the side. So let's clean again and do some signing report. So by checking release me, and release release me. For the alias, and check. I mean the key zero. I forgot. So it should be key zero. So let's clean again and do some signing report. So you can now choose this release me SHA-1 and SHA-256 for your keystore release. Also you can change this as one. And that's all for this video.